Msaada, help. Tafadhali, please. Nimechoka, I'm tired. Nani yuko hapa? Who is here? Nisaidie, help me. Wewe ni nani? Who are you? Mimi ni rafiki yako. I am your friend. Mimi ni rafiki yako. I am your friend. Rafiki yangu, my friend. Ndio, yes. Unatoka wapi? Where are you from? Where are you from? Unatoka wapi? Where are you from? I am from Pemba. Ninatoka Pemba. So this was supposed to be this side, right? And this should be here. I am from Pemba. Ninatoka Pemba. Samahani. Excuse me. Samahani. Excuse me. Jina lako ni nani? What is your name? Jina langu ni Hamdala. My name is Hamdala. Karibu kaka. Welcome brother. Ulikuja lini? When did you come? Nilikuja wiki iliyopita. I came here. So nilikuja hapa. So here is hapa. Yes, is hapa. Nilikuja hapa. Here. Yeah, just hapa. Yeah. I came here last week. Nilikuja hapa wiki iliyopita. Nilikuja kumuona dada yangu. I came to see my sister. Nilikuja kumuona dada yangu. Means I came to see my sister. Anaishi wapi? Where is she living? Anaishi Arusha. She is living in Arusha. She is living in Arusha. That is, anaishi Arusha. She's living in Arusha. Umemwona? Have you seen her? Ndio, nimemwona. Yes, I have seen her. Jana asubuhi. Yesterday morning. Anasema nini? What is she saying? Hakuna kitu. Nothing. Alisema nakupenda. She said, I love you. Nilisema asante. Nakupenda pia. I said, thank you. I love you too. Unasafiri lini? When are you traveling? Kesho means tomorrow. Kesho, tomorrow. Right? Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Are you a beginner? Are you learning Swahili from scratch? This PDF is for you. Type ebook to my email address lugembekidaha27@gmail.com. I'm going to share with you this Swahili to English PDF book for beginners. It is for free. So if you are struggling with Swahili, right, just type ebook to my email address lugembekidaha27@gmail.com. This book has a lot of good things for beginners like food and drinks, greetings, family and relationships, and other more things that are really good or appropriate for beginners. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like to this video if you are learning something from this channel. Subscribe to my channel if you are new, right? Thank you guys. See you next time. Bye bye.